on Oak Street right now. Straight ahead is the Chattanooga Subdivision. And I forgot this division over here to the right. It goes down toward Decatur, Alabama, and other places in Alabama. Straight ahead will take you toward Atlanta, Georgia, and Waycross, Georgia, places like that. Interesting spot here. I ride to work. I bike to work, so I already come up through this area here. Sometimes I catch a train or two. Well, I train anyway. This is what it looks like. This direction. This way is toward Demonbreun Street and Broadway and Church Street. It's in that direction. It goes up to 4 tracks down there. Well, 4 main lines. Then there's 2 extra tracks. There used to be a yard down there to the left. They took that out years ago. They actually took that out before I got here to Nashville. It was a small yard. Probably like 6 or 7, maybe 8 tracks. They had a local down there every now and then working the yard. It was fairly busy from what I know about it. But anyway, that's it for now. See ya.